Hello viewer, we are going to make the different blocks here, changing the border color and designs of the shape, making a new design. So I will have the designs and creation of the further one. So let's create these designs as well. So we will use here some pictures. So there it is. Thank you for watching.